If you've got chickens and you're tired of opening and closing the coop door every single day, this one's for you. Today, I'm checking out this solar-powered automatic chicken coop door, an intelligent electric poultry door with anti-pinch sensing, designed to keep your chickens safe while making your life way easier. This door is specially designed for rack-type chicken cages, so it fits cleanly and securely without complicated modifications. And the best part? It's solar-powered, which means no wiring headaches, no extra electricity costs, and it keeps working even in off-grid setups. Once installed, the door operates automatically, opening and closing on its own, so your chickens can get in and out safely, even if you're not home. It also comes with anti-pinch sensing technology, which is super important. If a chicken is in the way, the door detects it and stops, helping prevent injuries. That's a big win for animal safety. This electric poultry door helps protect your flock from predators at night, saves you time every day, and adds a smart, modern upgrade to your coop setup, all while being eco-friendly thanks to solar power. Right now, it's available at a huge discount, so if you're interested, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you keep chickens, and subscribe for more tech reviews and smart tools like this one.